In this video, I will be showing you how to create some electric energy and use it to charge your cell phone. This is 3 to 5 volt DC motor which is commonly used in remote control cars and toys. This is 5 volt motor which is used in hair dryers. These are some motors which is used in trimmers. This is stepper motor which is commonly used in printers and fax. This is small motor which is used in mobile phones to vibrate your phone. By powering it up, you can see it rotates and vibrates too much because of its unstable shaft. This is new version of vibrator motor. Nowadays, these are used in our mobile phones. You can see how it vibrates. This motor sticks inside our phone's body, so when it gets powered, our phone gets vibrated. This is also a small motor. Wait, this is not a motor. This is a microphone to transmit our voice. And now, roll the intro. Back to our DC motor. Powering it, I am using this Samsung mobile phone's battery. And for load, I am using this plastic tire. As you can see, by powering the motor, it rotates its shaft. But can we generate electric energy from this motor? So I grab one LED and connect it to the motor's terminal. And then it is time to attach proper gear system. As you can see, if I spin the wheel, LED lights up. And without gear system, if I rotate motor shaft, you can see LED lights up but very short period of time. Motors are capable to generate electric energy, but instead of small motors, they use bigger motors, and this is how we generate electricity. And this is the time to use bigger load, so I unsoldered small LED. And for bigger load, I am using these 3 LEDs in parallel. So I soldered the LED to the motor and attach it to the proper gearbox. And as you can see, it glows very bright. So I make this 7805 IC circuit to charge my mobile phone. This IC can take 6 to 12 volt and convert it into proper 5 volt, which is the standard voltage for the USB port. So I soldered the input wire to the motor's terminal. And now it is the testing time. And as you can see, if I spin the wheel, motor generates some electric voltage and thus turn on the charging. It is not that efficient because most of the energy get wasted through it. I hope you learned something new in this video. If so, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for latest update. And do let me know what do you think about this concept. Stay creative, stay safe.